Electric motorcycles are stupid fast. No gears, no noise, no gas. So, why aren't people buying more of them? And more importantly, should you? Let's run it through the grounded filter. Bikes like the Zero SRF or the Harley-Davidson LiveWire, they promise instant torque, low maintenance, and the future of riding. Cool, but we don't buy motorcycles for slogans. We buy them to ride. Here's the part no one skips, the money. Electric motorcycles, $15,000 to $25,000. Gas bikes, $8,000 to $14,000. That's a big jump. Yes, electricity is cheaper than gas. Yes, maintenance is simpler, but unless you ride a lot, you're not breaking even anytime soon. This is not a money-saving move. This is a premium move. Important difference. City riding, incredible. Instant torque at every light, no engine heat, smooth, quiet. You feel like you're cheating physics. Now highway riding, that's where reality steps in. Most electric motorcycles get around 80 to 150 miles in the real world use. Go fast, cut that down. And charging? At home overnight, easy. On a long ride, you're planning stops. That changes the freedom equation. Annoyance factor, 3.5 out of 5. Not because they're bad, because they require thought. Gas bikes, pull in, pump gas, leave in 5 minutes. Electric, find charger, wait, hope it works. If you ride locally, you'll barely notice. If you ride far, you absolutely will. Let's be fair, electric motorcycles are fun. The torque is addictive, but here's the grounded truth. Fun is instant. Convenience depends. They're amazing second bikes. They're not perfect only bikes yet. That's the gap nobody talks about. Simple breakdown. Upfront cost, high. Running cost, low. Convenience, medium. If you have home charging, convenience jumps up. If you road trip, it drops fast. So this lands squarely in cool, but situational. The grounded verdict? Depends. Buy it if you ride short distances, you charge at home, you want insane torque with low maintenance. Skip it if you ride long distances, you hate planning, you expect gas bike flexibility. Electric motorcycles aren't bad, they're just very specific. This isn't about whether they're cool, they are. It's about whether they fit your life. Buy what works, not what looks futuristic. Spend smart, stay grounded.